I can tell you many examples where a client, at the point when they gave up, at the point when they say, "ये तो नहीं हो रहा है, let's just leave it, let's just get on with our life," that particular month they've conceived. Because that suddenly that pressure that you're putting on yourself, once you take that off, then you just be, and you just enjoy the life that comes with it. And as a byproduct of that, the fertility just flourishes, and pregnancy, that is a natural process that needs to just happens on its own. So sometimes we come in the way of fertility. We come in the way by being anxious, by doing take steps. But sometimes you just have to let go. You just have to surrender. Sometimes you just have to be, and then things will fall in place on its own. So this is where I can tell you at least 4 or 5 different stories of my clients who have conceived in this way. One of them that I can remember is that she was working with me for 3 years. And before that, she was trying for another 4 years. So it was 7, 8, 9, 10 years that she'd been trying. Nothing was wrong, unexplained infertility. We couldn't put our finger to what it was. Everything she had done in her imagination that you can imagine. She had done everything. But she was not able to conceive. So by the end of around COVID time, doctors told her that you have to basically now go for surrogacy or egg donation. So she lives in UK. She decided that, okay, in March, I'm going to travel and I'm going to get the surrogacy done, and this will be the end of the story. And COVID happened in March. So she couldn't travel. So her whole plan of surrogacy, egg donation, or whatever she was planning, that got cancelled. And obviously she was at home. She was not going to work. There was a lot of breaks. She was relaxed. And it was off her because, like, okay, now after 2-3 months, whenever this thing happens, we book another appointment, we'll go. Abhi to kuch karna nahi hai. So she was basically completely given up. And that particular month she conceived. So she conceived naturally, not only once, but after that, a second pregnancy also happened naturally. And now she has 2 kids after trying for 10, 12 years and trying what not under the sun. Just when she let go of it, just when she surrendered, just when she stopped thinking about it, the thing just happened. So the magic happens sometimes when we are not looking at it. So sometimes when we just keep looking at it, keep understanding why is this not happening, we create more problem than good. So sometimes that mindset shift or just letting go or surrendering does the magic as well.